My train of thought carries me away, and nothing you can say can cause a delay. Maybe you've been good, doing only what you should, but my train of thought is a runaway train. I can't imagine, well yes I can, just what you're doing and what you got planned. There's 1,000 decent reasons, I'm sure